Hi, I thought I'd hop on today and make a short video with a couple of things that can help to boost our immunity. There's a lot of things going on in the world today, and we have this virus, of course, which is making everybody panic buy from the shops, and just generally there's a lot of fear around getting ill. So I thought I'd just hop on and with 3 things that you can do which are simple and easy that will help you to boost your immune system. So the first thing is emotional stress release. This is a kinesiology technique. They're all kinesiology techniques. And emotional stress release does what it says, so it helps us to release stress. So number 1, if you're feeling fearful, anxious or worried, you can hold 2 light holding points on the forehead. So I'll just show you here. So you just take 2 fingers and really lightly, so you just follow up from your irises to the midline of your forehead here, and you just lightly place your fingers on your forehead and just allow yourself to think about what it is that's making you feel worried or anxious. Just 2 to 5 minutes of this, and you'll find that you will calm down. Most of the emotional charge will be released and your mind will be calmer, so that you can think about solutions or self-soothe, help to talk yourself down, calm yourself down. There's a more in-depth video on emotional stress release, and I'll pop a link beneath this video to that one if you wanted to go there and have a go at that. Number 2 is something called a Thymus Tap. So the thymus is here, and we can just simply tap over the thymus to help to energize and balance it, and therefore help to boost our immunity. So that's really easy, just tapping the thymus just for about a minute. And there's another technique which can help us to strengthen the lungs. So in kinesiology we use neurolymphatic points as part of our corrections to clear and balance energy in the body. And the lung neurolymphatic points are on the front of the torso here. They're also on the back, but they're a bit tricky to reach unless you've got somebody else that can reach them for you. So on the front of the body, just here, you'll find a couple of natural indentations on the chest, so really near the midline of the body, just off the midline, and you're just going to find these natural indentations here, and you can massage these quite firmly. And I can notice mine now, they do feel quite tender, especially on the right hand side. And that's good, because you know you found the right place. Usually if it feels a little bit sore, that means that they do need clearing. So this is something really simple that you can do that will help you to balance the lung, strengthen the lung meridian and the lung energy, which in turn will help your immunity in the face of viruses or just generally. It's a useful thing to do. And so the points on the back, if you have someone that can rub on the back as well, are very similar. So you're not going to massage on the spine, you're just going to find a couple of points on the side of the spine. Again, just look for the ones that feel sensitive and give them a little rub just for a couple of minutes. Take a couple of deep breaths. And there we go. So there's 3 things you can do right now to help yourself feel a little bit less worried, because stress and worry in itself is not going to help your immune system. So if you can try to keep calm and do a few things to just help boost your immune system, then hopefully that will be really helpful for you at this time. Lots of love to everybody who's watching this, whichever country you're in. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.